Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey.
The Kilo Charlie station, please.
Yeah, this is a Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey, Alpha Tokyo Whiskey, QSL.
Kilo Charlie Alpha Tango Whiskey.
Yeah, this is a Kilo Charlie number one, Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey, QSL.
Okay, I got it. Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Okay, QSL, you are 5 and 2. This is Delta Charlie 5 Tango Golf. My name is Thomas, and I located near the ex-Capital Bonn. Bravo, Oscar, Nancy. Back to you.
QSL, thank you for signal report. And you are 5'9" in Massachusetts, 5'9" in Massachusetts, audio quality grade, QSL.
Yes, that's right. Your name is Dong?
Yes, correct. My name is Dong Break.
Okay, and you're in Massachusetts, is that right?
Yeah, Massachusetts, and I am running portable operation, running about 100 watt, Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey.
Kilo Charlie 5, can you come again, please?
Yeah, this is a Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey, Kilo Charlie number 1 Alpha Tokyo Whiskey. I was talking with Tom, DC5 Tango Golf, but I couldn't send a QSL. So can I talk to Thomas, DC5 TG KC1 ATW over?
Oh, okay, yeah. So Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Yes, this is Kilo Yankee 4 X-Ray Victor. My name is York. I'm in Dade City, Florida.
QSL, York, nice to meet you. I am running portable. About 100 watts with a homemade vertical antenna, 16 feet. Your signal about 20 dB. My QTH is Massachusetts, QSL.
Massachusetts, there's something wrong with your modulation. Your mic was cutting out. Can you do this again?
No problem. Maybe my microphone contact is bad. QTH Massachusetts, QTH Massachusetts, QSL.
Yeah, I got QTH Massachusetts. Yeah, there's something wrong with your mic. I don't know if that just happened. It just started. You know, your mic is breaking up. The signal is there, but your mic is breaking up. I don't know if Tom hears the same. Let me pass you over to Tom. Hey Tom, can you hear him in Massachusetts? I have talked to John before you're going out for your friend and telephone. You're coming in, but it's very strong to understand. At the moment, I don't understand him. Somebody just doubled over. Okay, Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Can you come in again, please?
Yeah, this is Kilo Charlie. This is. Oh, okay. Sorry. I think I have a problem on my microphone, but now looks okay. So I can give you a QSL now. So your signal is a 20 dB over 5.9, and have a nice day. And 73. This is a KC1 ATW over.
Okay, yeah, that was much better now. Okay, I got you now. You know, I got you. I'm just looking in your QZ page. How do you say your first name?
My name is Dong. D-O-N-G. Delta Oscar November Golf. Dong is my name. Over.
Okay, very good, Dong. Yeah, I just didn't want to mispronounce it, you know. But okay, yeah, very good. Apparently you got your microphone fixed. Alrighty, okay, yeah, the signal is about 5557. It's a little bit QSB, but at least you got your microphone fixed there. QSL?
QSL. And then could you QSP could you QSP to Thomas, my best wish 73, and I have his signal about 59 here in Massachusetts. Could you QSP over?
Of course, I will. I'm going to do it in English so you can copy it. Tom, Dong in Massachusetts, he says you got a signal of 59 there and pretty much loud and clear. He knows that you can't hear him right now, and he wishes you a 73. Yeah, okay, Dong. When you can hear my signal, have a great evening. It's the I2 Charlie.
Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey.
Kilo Santim Alpha Whiskey.
Yeah, this is a Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Portable operation. You are 59 in Massachusetts, QSL.
Okay, I got here Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey Portable. You 57, over.
57, thank you very much, and have a fun. 73.
73, thank you. The I2 Charlie.